Hi everyone, Assalamualaikum. Alright, so before we start the class, let me start the citation of doa together, okay? Alright. Al-Fatiha, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim, Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin, Ar-Rahmanirrahim, Maliki yaumiddin, Iyyaka na'budu wa iyyaka nasta'in, ihdinas siratal mustaqim, siratal ladzina an'amta 'alaihim ghairil maghdubi 'alaihim waladdallin. Amin. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Allahumma aftah alaina hikmataka wanshur alaina min khazaini rahmatika ya arhamar rahimin. Rabbi syrahli sadri wa yassirli amri wahlu 'uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Amin ya rabbal alamin. Alright, Pitu. Okay, today we continue our next topic, which is, let teacher share the screen first. I hope you guys can see. If something happened to my slide, you guys wait, okay? Wait. A minute. Alright. Okay, do you see my screen? Okay, I hope everything okay. Alright, so what we gonna learn today? Alright, so P2, we already learned about the four basic operation of money, right? You already know about the addition of money. We already know how to minus the money, how to times the money, and also how to divide the money, right? Alright, so today we go to how to solve the problem that involve about money. Alright, so before that, I want you guys get ready with the blue books for your exercise after this, and also your multiplication flower also. Or your Tatan books. Your Tatan book have everything, right? Inside that I told you before, have division table, have the multiplication table also, right? Alright, so now everyone, so can you give me your attention? Look at to my screen. Okay, I hope you guys can see. So borrow me your eyes, borrow me your ears, and borrow me your attention, and then you absorb everything what teacher want to tell you today, and then lock in your library. Alright? Okay, so if you look at to my screen, okay, today we want to know how to solve the problem that involve the money. Sorry. So teacher will show you the four example how to solve the problem that related with the money. Okay. We look at one by one slowly. Okay. I hope everyone can focus. Okay. Teacher make it my screen bigger. Alright. Okay. We see one by one. Alright. Let me start. Okay. So P2, today you guys will know how to solve the problem solving. Alright, our problem solving today that related with the money. We already learned about the money, right? Okay, so first, let we understand first the step how to solve the problem solving. Same like before this, we already know the step how to solve the problem solving for the numbers, how to solve the problem solving for the fractions. So today, that is the step to solve the problem about the money. Alright, let me see. Number one is read the problem solving question properly. Like I told you, you must to read the story until the end. Right? Okay. And then the second step is you guys need to underline the keyword from the question. You want to find the keyword. So if you find the keyword, then you know that you need to do the plus money or minus money or divide money or times money. Right. Okay. Now, step number 3. Please come up the number sentence for the question. Alright, later teacher show you the question, the example of the number sentence. Alright, and then the last one, step number 4, P2, do the calculation to find the answer. Alright, let we go one by one. Alright, I'm the one to go to so fast, so look at properly. Example number 1. Okay, what the problem solving teacher give to you? Right? See. Okay, example number 1. Read. Okay, the first step. Read the problem solving. Aisha has Aisyah has 34 ringgit 80 cent. So her mother give her another 40 ringgit. And then calculate the total money Aisyah has. So you already read, and then it's time for you to underline the keyword. So you see, first, Aisyah have the 34 ringgit 80 cent. That is a money. And then her mother give another 40 ringgit. And then the next keyword that you need to find is total money. You need to find the total of money. So everyone, if you look at the story, what you think? You need to plus money ke? Divide money? Or minus money? Or times the money? Alright, so the keyword over there is total. Total, right? Total. So if the word is total, you guys need to combine. So that means you guys need to do the plus money. So we already know, we already learned about the addition of money, right? So the first step, arrange. You need to arrange your money. Okay, look at to my screen. Okay, you have 34 ringgit 80 cent. Aisyah have 34 ringgit. Sorry. The step number 3 is you need to write the number sentence. So you already know the story talk about the addition of money. So you put 34 ringgit 80 cent plus 40 ringgit. So now it's time for you to do the calculation. So teacher, we already know. I do the calculation. 34 ringgit 80 cent. So you write 34 ringgit 80 cent. And then you need to plus with the 40 ringgit. So teacher, my 40 ringgit don't have cent at the back. So what teacher said to you before this? You can put your own. You must to put 00 at the back by yourself, right? Because the money that you need to plus have the cent at the back. So you put 40.00. That means 40 ringgit. Now it's time for you to do the addition, plus. So you start from the right to the left, like I told you. So 0 plus 0, 0. 8 plus 0, 8. So don't forget to put the dot because this is a money. Have the dot between ringgit and cent. 4 plus 0 is 4. And then 3 plus 4 is 7. Okay, and then you remember, always teacher said, because we talk about the money, don't forget the unit of money, RM in front. So, what is your answer, P2? So, that means the total money that Aisyah have is 74 ringgit 80 cents. So, you must write the final answer. The total money is 74 ringgit 80 cents. You have RM in front, but teacher said no need to say RM. Just say 74 ringgit 80 cent. Alright? Okay. This is the example number 1. So you read, you find the keyword. The keyword is total. So teacher, I need to do the addition. Right. Okay. Now we look at to the example number 2. Okay. I go slowly. I hope you guys understand very well. Okay, what teacher give to you for the next problem solving? What you think? You need to plus ke, minus, divide or times? Alright, see. That is the story. Lutfi. So, Lutfi has 74 ringgit 80 cent. And then, he buy a pair of shoes. And the price is 20 ringgit 40 cent. And then, you need to calculate his balance of money after do the payment. You remember anak we learn about the what topic when you need to find the balance of money? Subtraction, right? Minus. So you find the keyword. Teacher, Lutfi has 74, 80 ringgit. So you underline that one. Underline, and then he buy, teacher. He buy a shoes. The price is 20 ringgit 40 cent, and then he need to find the balance of money. You remember the topic that we learned, that you need to minus the price of the item that you buy, right? Because you want to know the cashier give you the balance how much. Same with this problem. So now the third step, please do the number sentence. So because you said this is minus, so you do the minus. 74 ringgit 80 cent minus 20 ringgit 40 cents. So now it's time for you to do the calculation. Arrange the money properly. right? So 74 ringgit 80 cent. Put on the top. And then you need to minus 20 ringgit 40 cent. Arrange like that, right? Okay, now it's time for you to minus. Start from the right to the left. Same. 0 minus 0. 0, teacher. How about 8 minus 4? 8 inside your mind. For your finger. Count backward. 7, 6, 5, 4. So the answer is 4. And then don't forget to put the dot. And then 4 minus 0 is 4, right? And then the last one, 7 minus 2. 7 in your mind, to your finger before 7. 6, 5. So your answer is 5. Because this is the money, don't forget RM. That is a very important. Without RM, your answer is not the money, right? Okay, so now you put the answer is 54 ringgit 40 cent. That's mean when Lutfi already pay, the balance of the money is 54 ringgit 40 cent. Alright, can you understand that? The problem solving number 2. Because the question want to know the balance of the money after you buy the item, the something. And then you want to know the balance of money, so you need to do minus. Right? Okay. So now, can we go to the example number 3? Alright? Okay. Example number 3. Okay, see. Alright. What teacher give to you? Example number 3. Okay, everyone. Okay, we'll see. Alright. Read. Mariam's sister buy the 6 storybooks. And the price of the storybook is 4 ringgit. One storybook is 4 ringgit. But Mariam buy the 6 storybook. So, the question want to know how much the price of the book that her sister need to pay all together. You still remember that we learned before this. Have the word all together. Need to pay all together. So, understand the story. Mariam's sister buy 6 storybook. But the price for the one storybook is only 4 ringgit. So, you need to find the price for 6 storybook. So, what you guys need to do? What you think? Okay, we'll see. Because Mariam need to buy all together, you guys need to do the multiplication of money. 6 times 4 because one book 4 ringgit. But Mariam's sister buy 6 books, story books. Right? So we already learned before. So you must remember times table. Timetable, sorry. So 6 times 4. Everyone, you remember? Table 6 or table 4? What is your answer? Okay, do the calculation that we already learned. Teacher, 6 times 4 ringgit. So, you guys arrange like that. So, 6 times 4, for those who already remember, you can answer very well. For those who still forgot timetable, look at to your multiplication flower or your tatan books. So, what is the answer? Is 24 ringgit. Don't forget this is money. So don't forget to put RM. So the answer is 24 ringgit. That's mean Mariam's sister need to pay for the 6 storybook is 24 ringgit. Are you okay with that? Alright. Now, we go to the next problem solving. Okay? Alright. So, the example number 4. Example number 4 is... Okay, we see what teacher give to you. Afif's mother distribute 50 ringgit equally into 10 packets. Remember, how much money are there in each of the packet? You remember we learned before this. Equally. Yes, you guys need to do the division. So everyone, do the number sentence first. Afif's mother have 50 ringgit and then distribute equally. You find the keyword there. Distribute equally. Bahagi. So That means you guys need to divide 50 ringgit divide 10. Easy lah, table 10. Right, you can see tens because divide is opposite than times. So you can find at the timetable 10. Tens times what? Become 50. Easy, right? But don't forget to do the calculation. Remember that we already learned. So how to do the calculation? We do the long division method. You arrange, teacher. 50 ringgit divide 10. We already learned, right? So you need to arrange like that. So teacher, I need to find 10 times what equal to 50. So the answer is 5. So you put 5 on the top. Easy, right? So you put 5 on the top. So teacher, 10 times 5 equal to 50. So I minus. So 0 minus 0, 0. 5 minus 5, 0 also. So don't have the remainder, right? So because this is money, the last step, don't forget to put RM. So that's mean the answer is, how you read the money? 5 ringgit. So what the meaning is? The meaning is after Afif mother distribute 50 ringgit equally into the 10 packets, each of the packet have 5 ringgit. Alright. Alright, everyone? So problem solving, you need to find the keyword. Alright. So that's all what teacher want to show you for problem solving only. Understand very well. Remember the step. You need to read, underline the keyword, and then write the number sentence, and then ready to do the calculation to find the final answer. Okay? Alright. So what we have? Dah. Finish. Alright. So that's all. So now everyone, in front you, I told you, teacher already asked you to prepare this book, right? Okay, now open your book. You need to do the exercise. Please open the page 112. Okay, open that. 112. So you need to solve the problem. Okay, teacher show you the screen. Teacher already put at the seesaw. For those who don't have a book, please open the seesaw. Okay, everyone? You see or not? Okay, so you need to see the screen. So now, you click at respond. For those who don't have a book, for those who have a book, you can do on the book. So this is for the person who don't have a book. Same on the screen, same with on the books, page 112. Okay, so you can do by yourself and then submit to teacher, or you can see on the screen, teacher will show you how to find the answer. Alright, okay. So now everyone, look at to the screen. Okay, the person who want to do by yourself, you can do by yourself. The person who want to see how, want to do together with teacher, you can see on the screen. Okay, now, ready with your weapon. Teacher ready with my weapon. Alright, so I choose my color red pen. Okay, so everyone read. The first step how to solve the problem, read the story, right? Okay, Bella have 45 ringgit 90 cents. So you highlight or underline. Her father give another 50 ringgit. And then for the question A say, calculate the total money. You find the keyword total. So teacher, I need to combine. When you want to combine, you need to do what? Plus or minus? So if you look at your book, the question already give you the number sentence, which is you need to do plus. So you guys, do lah. Okay. So teacher, RM, I put the RM 45 ringgit plus much? RM for 50 ringgit. Teacher, 50 ringgit don't have cent at the back. So what you guys need to do? You need to put 00 by yourself. Like that. So teacher adjust my right? So you write lah with your pencil. Teacher write like this. Okay, you guys can see on the screen. So teacher, 45 ringgit, I need to plus with the 50 ringgit because the question asks you to find the total. So after you write, so ready to do the calculation. Alright, now let we plus. Okay, so 0 plus 0. 0 teacher. 9 plus 0. 9. And then don't forget to put dot. 5 plus 0 equal to 5. And then 4 plus 9. 4 in your mind, 5 your finger. After 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9. So this is the money that Bella have. 95 ringgit, 90 cent. Don't forget to write here. Okay. Let me choose a little bit right. Okay. Right? Okay, you can do. For those who can do by yourself, you can do by yourself. Now we go to the second question. Okay, after that, Bella have 95 ringgit 90 cent. And then her balance. Okay, Bella what? Bella calculate her balance of the money after she buy a book. Bella buys a book with the price 30 ringgit 50 cent. You remember on the screen before the teacher said, if you want to find the balance of the money, so that's mean you need to do what? Plus or minus? Minus. Very good. Subtraction. Okay. Don't forget to write the number sentence. Teacher, number sentence is, I have a money 95 ringgit 90 cent. I need to minus RM 30 ringgit 50 cents. So I need to find the answer like that. So you do like that. So you write at the number sentence. Don't forget to write the number sentence here. So now for you to do the calculation. So let's do the calculation. You guys can write. Now, arrange properly. Remember the step. Arrange properly. 95 ringgit 90 cent minus how much? The books. 30 ringgit 50 cent. Okay. So you need to do the subtraction of money. Minus. So you already arranged. So, alright. Okay. So, right here. So it's time for you to do the calculation. So let me count. Minus not plus, because you need to find the balance. The keyword is balance. Okay, now 0 minus 0. 0. Telur ayam. 9 minus 5. 9 in your mind, 5 your finger. After 9, before 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. So you put 4. Don't forget dot. So 5 minus 0, 5. 9 minus 3, 9 in your mind, 3 in your finger. Before 9, 8, 7, 6. So you put 6 because this is money, teacher. Don't forget RM. So you put RM. So you put your answer here. RM 65 ringgit 40 cent. Okay, everyone? Don't forget to do like that. Okay, now everyone, we go to the next question. Question number 2. Okay, read. Rika, mother, buy 8 flowers. Buy the price of a flower. 1 flower, 3 ringgit. But Rika mom buy 8 flower. 1 is 3 ringgit. How about 8 flower? What you guys need to do? Very good. You guys need to do the multiplication times. So how? Alright. So that means your number sentence is 8 times how much for the 1 flower is 3 ringgit. Very good. So your number sentence, write your number sentence like that, is 8 times 3 ringgit. Then you can find how much for the 8 flower that Rika mother need to pay. So ready to do the calculation. So teacher use my pencil because, okay, so you arrange 8 times. Please arrange properly. How much? 3 ringgit. So everyone, it's time for you to remember timetables. Table 3 or table 8. 8 times 3 equal to, if you guys forgot, look at to your multiplication flower or your tartan books. 8 times 3 equal to 24. So you write 24. Okay? Don't forget RM because this is money. So your answer is the total that Reka mother need to pay for the 8 flower is 24 ringgit. So you guys write 24. Okay? Alright. So now we go to the last question. Okay. Razi father distribute the keyword. Distribute 40 ringgit equally. Equally into. Second keyword. Of course, you guys need to do what? Distribute equally. Like we get to the slide before. Divide. Very good. So, into what? 5 packet. So, same. How much? Calculate the money for the each of the packet. So you need to find. So teacher, I need to do the division of money. So 40 ringgit. Razi father have 40 ringgit and then he distribute into 5 packet. 40 divide 5. Pitu, what is the answer? Like I told you, 5, divide is opposite then times. So what you need to see, you look at to table 5. So table 5. 5 times what equal to 5, I put here. 5 times what equal to 40. So everyone cannot write properly. So you guys write properly on your books. Divide 5. So now 5 times the answer is 8, right? You look at your timetable. 5 times 8. So that means you can count 5 faster, right? Okay. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. So correct. So don't forget to do the calculation. So teacher, the answer is 8. So 8 times 5 is 40. I minus 40 below. You do properly. Teacher use the pen here. So my handwriting a little bit bad. So sorry. So 0 minus 0, 0. 4 minus 4, 0. Don't have reminder. So because this is money, don't forget to put RM. So what is your final answer is RM 8 ringgit. Okay everyone? Finish. Oh. Sorry. Okay, so the answer is 8 ringgit, right? So now, after you done, you can submit to me. Okay? And then, what teacher prepare for you is also the game. So after you guys done to do the work here, you guys can go to play the game. Alright? Okay, now, you can go to the seesaw here. I prepare you the game here. So you can click and then ready to play the game. So let me show you. The game is about what? Right? So after you done, you already submit, you still have a time, you can try the game on Kahoot. Alright, so this game we cannot play together, so you just play by yourself and then don't forget to write your name and then try to answer. Alright everyone? Okay, so that's all for today. Don't forget to write. If you still forgot, you can go to the link and then look at back the video that I already tell you before. Okay, so alright, so that's all for today. Thank you so much. See you again the next day. Okay everyone. Bye. Assalamualaikum. Bye.